I'm making Maggie today. What you want to do is that you're going to need to wash your hands. Wait, hold on. Water. Then just turn on the chat. Wash your stinky hands like this. Yeah. Like a good little boy. Wash your hands like that. Okay, maybe not into the cup or whatever. Then you must dry your goofy hands before you even touch the stove. Then once you've done that, you must open up the lid, pull it up a bit if the stove is closed. Then you must take a pot or pan. Okay. First, you must take a red pot because red is good luck or something. I don't know. This is your new pot. Close the cupboard doors. Oh crap! Yeah. There's some water in here, right? So then first you must clean the insides. I recommend not using paper towels but tissue, but I don't have tissues now, so I'll just use these. You don't want any of those dishwasher chemicals coming inside your Maggie, don't you? Oh, I stepped out. Whatever. You must fill this thing to the brim with water. Turn on the small tap if you have one. But however, I would just recommend getting like drinkable water and not tap water, because tap water is not that healthy in some places or whatever. You must just fill in half of the bowl, but at any point the bowl is okay. So now the noodles pot looks like this. All you have to do is just take it to a stove, heat it on the medium heat. But we must put the noodles inside later. But for now, just wait until it's medium hot or just regular hot if you want. So now we have the instant Maggie. We must open it. For that, I recommend using a pair of scissors, but make sure not to cut yourself with those scissors. Now we have the instant noodles right here, and we've taken it out of the packet. We must throw the brick inside. Okay, well. Now that we've thrown the spare pieces inside, we can just put the packet inside. But the noodles must break down first. So anyway, let's do that. You must take the spatula, wash it if possible. But we don't have time for that. So I'm just gonna stick it, break the noodles apart. Make sure to break down the noodle pieces like this. You must drain the noodle water. But I recommend getting the spatula first, and none of the noodles also get thrown in the water. But whatever. Have to drain it. I recommend that you hold the spatula like this, like when the noodles. I recommend you just drain it a bit, not too much. Make sure to keep some water because well, you want that soup, don't you? I have to make sure that your noodles look like this, a drain, but not too drain that there's no noodle water. But anyway, packets. Or any sauce packet for the incident you're doing. So over here we have some delicious Maggi powder, and we must open this Maggi powder to put inside. And I recommend you use the same scissors, but make sure to clean them if they have some dirty stuff on it. Make sure to empty the entire thing because I don't want any more of this Maggi powder. So now what you must do is that you can either add some toppings if you want, and you can also put the noodles in the bowl. I recommend this part, but you could do that yourself, like you don't need this video for that, right? I recommend to put egg on it in case you're really craving that egg noodles vibe, but crap, I said egg noodles vibe.